Welcome to Auto In this code guide, I will show you how to fix files are corrupted error in Escape from Tarkov using the stream integrity.
Fix 1. Verify game files in Steam. Step 1. Open Steam on your PC. Step 2. Go to Library and click Escape from Tarkov. Step 3. Click Properties, Installed Files. Step 4. Select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Step 5. Wait for Steam to scan and repair corrupted files. Fix 2. Run Steam and Tarkov as administrator. Step 1. Click the Steam shortcut, Run as administrator. Step 2. Click Escape from Tarkov Launcher, Run as administrator. Step 3. Start the game and check if the error is gone. Fix 3. Update the game completely. Step 1. Open Steam. Step 2. Make sure Escape from Tarkov is fully updated. Step 3. Install any pending patches. Fix 4. Disable antivirus or firewall temporarily. Step 1. Open your antivirus/firewall settings. Step 2. Temporarily turn them off. Step 3. Start the game and see if the error is fixed. Step 4. Turn antivirus/firewall back on after testing.